Hello guys, myself Shubham Vishwakarma and welcome to this learning channel Learn English with Movies. But before starting the video, I want to tell you one thing. If you are new on this channel, so firstly I recommend you to watch my introduction video first by click on this I button, or you can reach to my introduction video from the description box. I have provided link over there. And guys, if you have watched my introduction video, so you are most welcome. So today we are going to learn English with Harry Potter movie, which is a magical movie, and I think you all have watched Harry Potter movie. So today we are going to learn from this movie, but according to the strategy, first we will watch video with subtitle, second we will learn from the scenes, and third we will watch video without subtitle. So guys, get to be ready.
Excuse me, do you mind? Everywhere else is full. Not at all. I'm Ron, by the way. Ron Weasley. I'm Harry Potter. So is it true? I mean, do you really have the what? The scar. Oh, yeah. Wicked.
Anything off the trolley, dears?
No thanks. I'm all set. We'll take the lot. Whoa. Excuse me, do you mind? Everywhere else is full. Not at all.
Do you mind is a common way to formally make a request to someone. For example, do you mind? Can you click my photo? In the place of do you mind, we can also say does it bother you, and if you don't mind. To make it more polite, we can say would you mind. For example, would you mind lending me a pencil? Mine just broke.
I need to ask you a few questions.
Anything, boy, anything.
Would you mind identifying this wand? We need to know if it's safe to use.
Excuse me, do you mind? Everywhere else is full. Not at all.
Not at all mean that there is a 0% chance of something. So Harry is saying that he does not mind, not even a little bit. For example, Sarvesh. Shubham, do you mind if I use your car? Shubham. Not at all, Sarvesh, you can use my car.
Excuse me, do you mind? Everywhere else is full. Not at all. I'm Ron, by the way. Ron Weasley. I'm Harry Potter.
Ron forget to introduce himself before making a request to Harry. By the way is a polite way to add extra information, and it is used for both formal and informal context. For example, I went to my nanny's house. By the way, did you see how Kohli played yesterday?
I'm Ron, by the way. Ron Weasley. I'm Harry. I've got Dumbledore. I got about 6 of him. This is Scabbers, by the way. Pathetic, isn't he? Just a little bit.
In text messaging, this will often be shortened to the acronyms BTW, although we would not actually say the acronyms in spoken English.
I'm Harry Potter. So is it true? I mean, do you really have the what? The scar. Oh, yeah.
A scar is a permanent mark left by an injury. Harry is famous for having survived the most powerful wizard in the world, Lord Voldemort, attempt to kill him. However, he was left with a scar in the shape of lightning bolt, which make him easily recognizable.
Do you really have the what? The scar. Oh, yeah. Wicked.
At this point, Ron changes a bit his polite tone to a more friendly, casual one. He uses the slang "wicked", which is especially common in the UK. It is similar to the American "awesome", both mean that something is really great.
Eternal glory. That is what awaits the student who wins the Triwizard Tournament.
Wicked.
wicked.
Anything off the trolley, dears?
A trolley is a wheeled cart that we see the woman pushing. Dear is an endearing term which is used mostly by women, especially when speaking with children.
From Belgium, Mrs. Weasley.
Good to see you, dear.
Good to see you too.
Now you've got everything you need.
Yep.
Yes, all of your books.
Yeah, it's all upstairs.
And all of your clothes.
Everything's there.
Good boy.
Thank you.
Anything off the trolley, dears?
No thanks. I'm all set.
All said mean that you have had enough of something, you don't need any more. In the USA, another common colloquial way to say this is I am good.
We'll take the lot. Whoa.
Harry then said that he would like to buy the lot. I am sure you know that when we collocate the article a with lot, it means a large quantity of something. Well, when instead we add the article the to lot, it means the whole quantity, all of it. For example, if you like dog so much, you may as well adopt the whole dog.
Bertie bought every flavour beans.
They mean every flavour. There's chocolate and peppermint, and there's also spinach, liver and tripe.
George sweared he got a bogey flavoured one once. These aren't real frogs, are they? It's just a spell. Besides, it's the cards you want. Each pack's got a famous witch or wizard. I've got about 500 myself. Watch it! Oh, that's rotten luck. They've only got one good jump in them to begin with. I've got Dumbledore. I got about 6 of him. Hey, he's gone. Well, you can't expect him to run around all day, can you? Bertie bought every flavour beans.
They mean every flavour.
At this point, we are introduced to an interesting treat in the wizarding world. Betty Walt's every flavor beans. You may know of beans is a type of legume that can be red, black, white, etc. However, there is a popular candy with a variety of flavor called jelly beans. However, as Ron pointed out, these Bertie Walt's jelly beans have literally every flavor, including strange and disgusting
There's
ones.
chocolate and peppermint, and there's also spinach, liver and tripe.
George sweared he got a bogey flavoured one once.
Spinach is a green vegetable and it mostly eaten by us. Liver is the organ in the digesting system that filters food into nutrients that the body can use. People also eat different animals' liver, although it is an unpopular option for food among many, especially children. Tripe is another word for sheep's stomach, which is also a dish that some people enjoy. Boggy is a British flag for boogers, which are the hardened piece of mucus from the nose. At the end of the movie, we see Dumbledore eats a beans he claims tastes like earwax, the substance you find inside your ear.
Bertie Bott's every flavour beans. I was most unfortunate in my youth to come across a vomit-flavoured one. And since then, I'm afraid I've lost my liking for them. But I think I could be safe with a nice toffee. Alas, earwax.
These aren't real frogs, are they? It's just a spell. Besides, it's the cards you want. Each pack's got a famous witch or wizard.
As you can imagine, Harry Potter is full of vocabulary related to magic. A spell is a group of words used as a magical charm or incantation. In the wizarding world, they use wands to cast spells.
I'll fight you.
Neville, I'm really sorry about this. Petrificus totalis.
Each pack's got a famous witch or wizard.
A pack is a small paper or cardboard box and the items inside of it. For example, a pack of cigarettes or a pack of cards.
Each pack's got a famous witch or wizard. I've got about 500 myself.
Here Ron says myself instead of myself, which is grammatically incorrect but common in some British dialect.
Now I remember when I first met you all. Suppose you reminded of myself a little.
Watch it! That's rotten luck. I've only got one good jump in them to begin with.
Rotten means that something has decayed. For example, a fruit or eggs that are no longer edible for one's teeth. However, here Ron uses it as a slang meaning very bad.
That's rotten luck. I've only got one good jump in them to begin with.
He says they have one good jump in them, which really just means that the magical frog only lived long enough to jump once time. However, we can use this construction in other contexts too. For example, this computer has got about one good year left in it before I have to get rid of it.
I've got Dumbledore. I got about 6 of him. Hey, he's gone. Well, you can't expect him to hang around all day, can you?
Hang around is a phrasal verb meaning to spend time or wait somewhere. For example, they really like to hang around at the cafe during their break.
Excuse me. Do you mind? Everywhere else is full. Not at all. I'm Ron, by the way. Ron Weasley. I'm Harry Potter. So it's true. I mean, do you really have the what? The scar. Oh. Yeah. Wicked.
Anything off the trolley, dears?
No thanks. I'm all set. We'll take the lot. Whoa.
Bertie Bott's every flavour beans.
They mean every flavour. There's chocolate and peppermint, and there's also spinach, liver and tripe. George sweared he got a bogey flavoured one once. These aren't real frogs, are they? It's just a spell. Besides, it's the cards you want. Each pack's got a famous witch or wizard. I've got about 500 myself. Watch it! That's rotten luck. I've only got one good jump in them to begin with. I've got Dumbledore. I got about 6 of him. Hey, he's gone. Well, you can't expect him to hang around all day, can you?
So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, so please like it and please support our channel by subscribe it. So we will meet you on the next lesson. Now, goodbye.